it's Sandra, and it's time to pick my winner for February. So I am just going to go through this quickly on what I was giving away, and I'm giving away the Monocle stamper from the Maniology Halloween box. I am giving away M181, which is a little Valentine's plate. I'm giving away CAD's Christmas 046. And the last thing I have is Uber Chic, and it's Winter Wonderland with a bunch of snowflakes. So, good luck to everyone, and we will see who wins. Okay, so the winner is Tina Baker, 394. So Tina, all you have to do is email me at nailstampology@gmail.com with your mailing address, and I will ship these items out to you. Congratulations to Tina, and thanks for watching.